How to remove unwanted objects from photos using AI in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser or install an AI photo editing app. You can use free tools like Google Photos Magic Editor on supported devices, Canva AI, Adobe Express, Cleanup.pictures, or Pixlr AI. Next, upload the photo you want to edit. Once your image is loaded, select the Object Remover, Magic Eraser, or AI Remove tool, depending on the app you're using. Now, use your finger or mouse to brush over the object you want to remove. This could be a person, a wire, a sign, or any unwanted item in the photo. Tap Remove or Clean, and the AI will analyze the surrounding area and automatically fill in the background. If the result isn't perfect, simply repeat the process or adjust your selection for a cleaner edit. When you're happy with the final image, tap Download or Save to export the edited photo to your device. That's it. You've successfully removed unwanted objects from your photo using AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI photo editing tutorials, smartphone tips, and easy tech guides.